Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is our Islamiyat class and we have to recite the duas first and we have to revise the questions first. So all of you sit straight and fold your arms. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Repeat after me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dua before eating. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. And dua after eating is Alhamdulillahillazi at'amana wa sakana wa ja'alana minal muslimin. So you have to remember these duas like dua before eating and dua after eating. As we have done these questions before, so repeat and revise these questions with me. Two names of Allah, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. And Quran Pak is written in which language? Quran Pak is written in Arabic language. Remember these questions. Two names of Allah, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim. And Quran Pak is written in which language? Arabic. Now remember these new questions with me. Repeat with me. How many surahs are there in Holy Quran? There are 114 surahs in Holy Quran. Remember this question and remember this number. How many surahs are there in Holy Quran? There are 114 surahs. So first surah of Holy Quran. The next question is first surah of Holy Quran. First surah of Holy Quran is Surah Fatiha. And the next question is last surah of Holy Quran. So last surah of Holy Quran is Surah Nas. Remember these two names, Surah Fatiha, Surah Nas. Alright, now come to general knowledge. It's time for the subject general knowledge and the topic is community helpers. Theme of the month is community helpers. So let's discuss the community helpers. But first of all, let's revise previous questions. Name some of the professions with me. The first profession is teacher, doctor, pilot, driver, barber, engineer, policeman, postman, chef, dentist, and etc. These are some of the professions. You have to remember 5 professions like teacher, doctor, pilot, driver, barber, firefighter, anything you can relate it to or anything you like. You have to remember just 5 professions or 5 names of the community helpers. Okay, now let's revise these questions. What does a teacher do? Yes, answer me about this question. What does a teacher do? Very good. Teacher help us learn. Okay, now come to the next question. What does a doctor do? You all know the answer. Doctor help us feel better. If I ask you what does a doctor do, you have to say doctor help us feel better. And the last question is what does a chef do? You all know very well. The chef cook yummy food. Okay, now come to this question. What does a pilot do? Do you see a pilot here? So what does a pilot do? How many of you like the pilot? Raise your hand if you like pilot. Oh, that's great. What does a pilot do? Pilot fly the airplanes. Pilot fly the airplanes. And if I ask you about a driver, what does a driver do? Driver helps people to take from one place to another. Like this. Driver helps people to take from one place to another. Okay, now look at this man. What he is doing? Yes, he is a barber and he is cutting and trimming the hairs. So what does a barber do? Barber cut and trim our hairs. If you feel like your hairs are very long, so where do you go? You go to the barber. Is there anybody have long hairs? Okay, raise your hand and go to the barber tomorrow, okay? So the next question is, what does a dentist do? Dentists keep our teeth healthy. So I hope that everybody have healthy teeth right now. Show me your teeth, please. Oh wow, that's so nice. So what does a dentist do? Repeat this answer with me. Keep our teeth healthy. Keep our teeth healthy. So who is this man? He is a postman. What does a postman do? Postmen deliver and collect our things and mails. Whenever we want to deliver something, we go to the postman and postman deliver our things from one place to another. So what does a postman do? Postman collect and deliver our mails or things. So that's it from today's class, but you have to remember the previous questions like what does a pilot do? What does a driver do? What does a barber do? What does a dentist do? And what does a postman do? So take care, stay home and Allah Hafiz.